Mga cute dyan, hi! I'm Dage. Welcome to my vlog. So, I locked my mystery box. So, let's go! Shh. So, this is my mystery box. Then, I will put in here so nobody can see it and nobody can open it because I don't have locker. This is for today muna. I will triple lock to make bigger lock. Now you see in the second box, third box, look it, and fourth box, the bigger the better of lock, and the last one, this is the best. I will put my mystery box in here. Then I will put it now in here. Oh. Yan. You see? Then in the fourth box. Oh. Now take a look of my mystery box in there. This mystery box is so very dangerous. Oh, that's the clue. Super dangerous. You will see in your hope. Hope this will valuable lesson to you of the watcher. The mystery box. I must close it now. Always watch until the end of mystery box. Then now I will close it now that nobody can see this my mystery box. Now I will put it because I don't have a now I will just like this. That can be useful to never see my mystery box. Just comment below in what is this mystery box. To close my mystery box, I will just put my there we go. Save my mystery box. Now it's okay. It's that good for locking for now. Thanks.